In this video, I'm going to be going over how to change time zone in WordPress step by step. Changing the time zone in WordPress for your WordPress website is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your time zone changed and set in WordPress. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Settings tab in the left-hand side menu. Click General. Scroll down to where you see Time Zone. From the drop-down, if you click into it, you can change the time zone in WordPress. Choose the time zone you want to select and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button. You've successfully changed the time zone in WordPress. That is how to change your time zone in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.